Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's get started standing up. Sweep your arms up overhead, interlacing your fingers, press your palms up towards the ceiling. Take an inhale as you lean back, looking up. Exhale, round your spine, pressing your palms forward, tucking your chin in towards your chest. Again, inhale, we look up, arching the back. Exhale, round your spine, pressing the palms forward. One more time, we inhale, arching the back, looking up. Exhale, round your spine, this time coming into a forward fold, relaxing your upper body down. Let's grab onto opposite elbows as we sway gently from side to side. And if it feels comfortable in your body, you can grab onto your big toes with your peace sign fingers. Take an inhale for halfway lift, lengthen your spine. Exhale, forward fold. Maybe you pull your head and your chest a little bit closer to the thighs. Let's bend our knees and we straighten our legs a little bit. Again, let's bend the knees and we straighten. This time, bend your knees, making your way into a chair pose. Sweep your arms up overhead. Stand up and hands come to heart center. Take a deep breath. Now let's turn and face the long way on our yoga mat, coming into our warrior two with our right leg. Open your arms into a T position, looking over that front hand. Straighten your arms, looking up, reach the hands up, touch them together, and back into your warrior two. Take an inhale, reaching forward. Exhale, extended side angle. Tick-tock your arms 12 and 6 like a clock, maybe looking up at that left hand. Back to warrior two and reverse warrior, flipping the front palm, reaching up and back. Straighten your front leg for reverse triangle and back to center. And now we come into our warrior two on our left side, bending that left knee. Take an inhale, straighten the leg, reach up, look up, and back to warrior two. Take an inhale as you reach forward. Exhale, extended side angle. Really open your chest here, looking up, and come into your reverse warrior. Reaching up and back, maybe sinking a little bit deeper into the front knee. And now we straighten that front leg. And back to center. Make your way into your star pose, reaching up, opening the arms, reaching back. And wide-legged forward fold, hinge forward, grabbing behind your ankles, relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Let's grab onto opposite elbows as we rock gently from side to side, releasing any tension from the low back or the spine. Relax your hands down onto your yoga mat. Let's bend our knees and we straighten. Again, let's bend our knees and we straighten. Now let's close the legs together, pedaling the legs out, bending and straightening one leg and the other. And we clasp our hands behind our low back, pressing the fist up towards the ceiling for a bit of a shoulder stretch. Release your hands as you slowly roll up to standing. Your head is the last thing to come up. And we sweep our arms overhead and hands come to heart center. Let's end class by taking a deep inhale, breathing in through the nose and open mouth. Exhale, sigh it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is going to be on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I will see you in the next one.